project parts cars. And this is a Impala two-door hardtop 59. They are rusty, but they are parts cars, project cars. This is a 59 convertible, and she's rusty, but it is what it is. 38 Chevy Coupe would be a great street rod project. Good patina. We have a 36 two-door that's got to come out. This is our 36 Cabriolet. It does run and drive. Runs and drives very nice, actually. It's a Model A. I'm gonna go back here and just show you this truck once here. This is on day one with the trucks, and this is a Mack truck, and it is a Gold Bulldog Mack. My husband is a diesel mechanic, a big guy, and was telling me about this truck. And with the Gold Bulldog, everything is born Mack, and they're kind of unusual to find. And in fact, if I was to recreate him, he would, looking at my pictures, and he goes, "Oh, Gold Bulldog Mack. Ooh, yeah." So pretty exciting, apparently, to truck guys. Also a fire truck. There's a Coleman. This is a 4041 project. It's rough. I'm just going to show you part of them, and then we'll go over the Indian motorcycles. I hope I don't lose reception. Another Chevy Coupe that's nice. Another 36 Ford. It has quite a few retractables. These are all projects. This 58 runs and drives really good. We did not try the top. I'm assuming the battery would be a little weak, but a nice car. A low 3 Edsel convertible. Here's another 59 Impala. Has a transplanted 348. You can bid online or be here in person. Cougars. Some more 59s. There's probably 5 or 6 here. Here's our Oldsmobile convertible. That does run and drive. We drove it in the building, drove it out this morning. Starfire convertible. It's a 59 Cadillac Series 62. Runs and drives, drove it out this morning. Hi. Some 58s. Hi guys. Hi. It's gonna get hot. Here's a 59 El Camino, and this has a 348. Was just visiting with a gentleman, and it does have an M on the VIN plate, and so it was born with a 348 from what we can tell, but of course you need to do your homework. Here's a Ford Club wagon. Kind of a weird deal. The top pops up. That would be kind of retro, kind of fun to do. 60 Chevy Impala. And of course your usual Kaisers and Ramblers and Edsels. Yesterday it was 82 degrees. Little GMC Sprint. And I think that 59s are sexy. This is a 74 Chevy Caprice Classic. If you are a derby guy, you should be getting excited right now. Cutlass Supreme. There's our early Ford row. Here's some more 59s, which we started out the tour with. All right, let's go over and look at the Indians. We start off on Sunday with Indian literature. Then we'll go to the motorcycles, then the cars, then the parts. Sunday's going to be a fast day, so make sure to be on time. Yeah. Oh, Yvette at VanderbrinkAuctions.com. Oh, I don't know. Do you have the S on the auctions?
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know what happened.
Okay.
But I was trying to send you a picture of it running, but I didn't.
Oh, I'm sure we'll do it again, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
He's up here. Hey, Tom! Come here.
All right, let's walk over to the Indians. It's going to be a warm one today. Remember, our parking is off-site. We have a shuttle bring you to the auction and to your vehicle, or to the parking lot. Lots of Massey Harris tractors. We'll go take a tour of those next. There's also International John Deere and Minneapolis Moline, and some Alice Chalmers, some Fergusons, lots of cool stuff. But let's go look in here. I am huffy today. All right, found a whole bunch of car parts, and these will be after the vehicles on Sunday. All right, here's our Indians, and we'll also have some bicycles. All right, guys, this is our 1940 Indian 4. We found the saddlebags. We have a title, frame number, and motor number match. Indian 4s were not made very long, and they quit making them in 42. Really cool piece. And this would be definitely a big part of your collection. You can see there's our motor. Family did not know that. They knew they had an Indian motorcycle. They didn't know it was an Indian 4. That was fun to tell them. This is another cool one. This is a 47. Great patina. And this one would be cool to get running and leave the paint the way it is. Over here is our 48. And we did find the front fender, the saddlebags, and the rear fender. So that'll all be sold together. All of these bikes have titles. And you can see we're getting more parts out. There's hubcaps, some motors. We'll be done early on Sunday. So here's our another 36. This is our 2-door, and it does run. We'll get that out. The top canopy is bad. In the corner, 59 parts. Yep. So this will be Sunday. We'll start with our parts probably back here. More tractors. Our tractors are Saturday. Also that Versatile with the tree trimmer. And they're starting tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning, and we're starting right off with them tractors. I have to inventory a few more pieces. And a lot of parts for the tractors also will be on Saturday after the tractors. Implements, quite a few implements. There's two 1930s little trucks there we're going to sell. They're added. They're in the catalog. It's a bunch of plows. And then we'll go over with that kind of a fun I-244 Minneapolis up there with a magnet to sweep, the magnet sweeper. And more tractors. There's about 90 tractors. Many of them are loose. And we start at 9:30. I'm right here. 9:30 with the tractors. Oh, wrong lady. Okay. Hi. So this GP Massey will be the first tractor that we sell tomorrow. So be on time. Make sure you allow time for the shuttle. We'll open gates at 7:30 tomorrow, and tractors will be first. We're starting right here and going down the line. These all run and drive. Nice pieces. Okay, so for more information, go to VanderbrinkAuctions.com if you're looking to have a sale. We want to work with you if you have a farm or land in Minnesota or South Dakota, even Iowa. We'd be happy to sell that for you. Talk to us. Wintertime in November, February, March, good time to sell farm ground. We'd be happy to work with you, put our marketing to work. We do all of our auctions online and live simulcast and get you the most exposure possible. Give me a holler, 605-201-7005. We'll see you tomorrow. And then don't forget, October 24th is the Bob Regier collection, 120 plus pieces, 2032 Fords, Nomads, Corvettes, GTO, all kinds of fun stuff, plus a lot of 32 parts. And then November 14th will be in Atchison, Kansas with 25 1932 Mopars, including a lot of parts. Parts will be for on-site bidders only. We're going to be working there in about 2 weeks and adding a lot more stuff. So go to the website, check them out. If you're looking to have a sale again next year for collections, or unless you're down south, we'll be happy to work with you. 605-201-7005. See you tomorrow.